Hello, this is Lola Day. I'm a children's librarian with the Oakland Public Library, and I am going to show you how to use the Beanstack Tracker app to track your progress in our summer reading program. So the Beanstack Tracker app is available for both Android and Apple devices, and I did a separate video just showing you how to set it up, how to sign up for our summer reading program, and this video will show you how to log your progress. All right, so we're really focusing on the children's summer reading program. We do also use Beanstack for our teen and our adult program. So first, this is the main home screen for the app once you're signed in. You'll see that you can manage your account. You can see a list of your readers that you have. We've got Winkin', Blinkin', and Nod. You can review your log, and first I'll just show you this top button, this initial. You can switch between your readers to see each reader's their stats or their log, what challenges that they're enrolled in, like the kids program or the grown-up program. So right now we're just going to be logging activities, and we'll start with we'll stick with Blinkin', and we'll hit this blue button down here, this plus sign. That's how we actually log activities. All right, so it's going to give us options for what to log. And for this year's summer reading program, we're really focusing on activities. The reviews are for the teen and the adult program. The reading is really just like personal if you want to track what books you're reading and track your progress in each book. But for the summer reading program, the activity button in the middle is what we're going to focus on. So we'll hit that. We'll choose which reader we're logging for. I'm going to say Blinkin'. And hit the green button down here, choose reader. And this is where we see a list of the activities for the summer reading program. You'll see that there's week 1, week 2, week 3. Each week has 3 activities that you can do to get prizes. So it's a little different from summer reading programs of the past where you're just tracking how many days you read through the summer. This is more, it broadens the scope of the summer reading program. There's different ways of learning. So you can read, you can watch one of our virtual programs, or you can do an activity. So I'll show you first. Let's say we're in week 1, we're just kicking off summer, and we're going to select read. So we came to the library, we got a bunch of cool books. We're going to select week 1. All right, so we see right now it's all grayed out. We haven't completed the activity yet. But in the text box, it asks, how many days did you read this week? We're going to say that Blinkin' read 5 days this week. And we're going to hit that green save button. All right, there we go. And now it's green. It's checked off, and we earn a badge. Activity complete. So it says 1 out of 1. If we go back, yep, instead of being all grayed out, now the badge turned color. If we say close, we can scroll down a little bit. There's our summer reading challenge. Yep, and there we go. We earned an extra badge. We got a badge just for registering for summer reading. And now we've got an extra one. And we see all of the activities that we can do this summer. Like I said, there's 3 each week. There's reading. You can read, see how many days you can read in the week. There's watching. We have virtual programs every week. And then there's an activity you can do. All right, let's go ahead and log another activity. I'll show you because I think it's going to be a little different. So we're going to keep on with Blinkin'. Say choose reader. And in that first week, we also have a family dance party. So attend the family dance party. Bay Area Children's Theater is going to bring their very popular Baby Rave to the library. I hope you guys can make it on May 29th. That's our very first day of summer reading. All right, so I'm going to hit the checkbox because Blinken danced and had fun at the family dance party. If I check it off, and now it's green. Huzzah, there we go. Activity complete and earned another badge. So if I go back, there we go. Now we have 2 activities that are in color. And now Blinken has 3 badges. Yay! So you'll see that some of the activities have just a simple checkbox, and then some have a text box, like for the read option. And if I log another activity, let's say we're logging for Nod now, our other kids reader. And let's say in week 2, Nod played a game. And I'll show you, yep, see, there's another text box. And maybe Nod went to the park and played horse on the basketball courts. Or maybe Nod played exploding kittens with a neighbor. All right, that's what you played. And then you hit the green save button again. Yep, there it goes. Now it's green, another activity complete, and another badge. If we go back, yep, we can see now it's in color. All right, there we go. I hope this was helpful. If you have any further questions on how to log in the Beanstack Tracker app, definitely come into the library or give us a call, and we will help you out. All right, have fun.